Try, adapt, learn. In this video, we will take a quick look inside a Ryobi 40-volt string trimmer. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe now for more videos including maintenance, DIY, and other random projects. A string trimmer is also known as a weed eater, weed whacker, or weed whip. We will begin by removing the fasteners of the string trimmer case. The fasteners are mostly Torx T15 size and one Torx 10 size. As seen with the case open, the string trimmer has relatively few parts. In the rear is the motor with the positive and negative wires to the battery connector. The motor is switched on with a plastic trigger which then pushes on the switch with a small spring. The motor then drives a shaft that goes down the length of the tube to drive the head of the string trimmer. To reassemble the string trimmer, the same fasteners were used. This started with the T10 in the middle of the handle, then all the other remaining T15 sizes. As I make new videos, I want to share them with you, so subscribe now. Also comment, like, and check out some of the other content on our channel.